XPEV stock analysis Tuesday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With Xpeng, we're sitting at $11.63, 9.8% down for the day. I personally am still not so bullish yet, but like if I look at it from a broader picture, you're gonna see that it is actually, I'm open. I'm just open, right? It's not like that I'm short, but I'm open to the idea of that. And what is the gap, right? It's pretty much the price is going to decide. I'm not here to assume, but if the price really starts breaking below like 10.03 and just $10 and then starts to give me that double break, this is going to be something that I'll really take lower. So guess what I'm doing? Waiting. On the opposite side, if this thing starts to pick up and we start breaking above the supply area, well, it came on the bullish side. So it's pretty much just in the middle. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.